Hi everyone, today we will practice together vowel O, and O. Let's start. The first O. Money doesn't grow on trees. Come and see us again. I'm just lucky. It doesn't matter. Oh, hard. I have been working hard all morning. Smart. You are so smart. Hard. I need a heart to her talk. Pardon? I didn't catch your words. How come you look so tired? I have been working hard all day. O and A. Door, for, corn, girl, bird. Body, got, hot, top, not. What's on your mind? I got it. She got the better job in a popular fashion shop. Thank you for listening.